Hi everyone. In today's short tutorial, we will learn how to install and use readxl package in RStudio. So you can easily read Excel file without any interruption. Before we start, let's have a quick look on the four panels that we usually see when we open RStudio. Top left is the source editor. Here you write your codes, script, and the bottom left is the console where the commands are executed. It's like a calculator for RStudio. If you write 2 plus 2 and hit enter, it will give you 4. Here's a brush icon. You can click it to clear the console. Top right is the environment tab. It shows you variable data frame loaded package. Think of it as a workspace memory. Bottom right is your file, plot and packages. File, here you can browse your PCs, folders, and plot is where it displays the graph when you do the code. And packages is the list of all installed R packages. And here you do the updates and install the packages. And help explain any function like readxl. It will help you to explore the function. Now let's install readxl. You can install in two ways. To go to the bottom right where file, plot and packages are, hit the package, install, hit the install, write read xl. Here, click here and install it. Here you can see in the console readxl package has been installed successfully. Here we click the clear console button. The second method of installing a package is to write in the console install packages. Here we can write inverted comma read xl and hit enter. Here you can see in the console the readxl is successfully installed. Now I am going to load the readxl package. I will write library and in the brackets I will write readxl. I will run this command. See, in the console it appears in the blue font. Now I am going to import an Excel file. In the environment panel you will click import dataset from Excel. Now I will browse the Excel file which I want to import. I wish to import a final file. The RStudio is reading the file. Here you can see RStudio has detected the file. And now I will click import. Here you can see after installing readxl, RStudio has read your file. You can click the final and play the observations here. And that's it. You have learned how to install, load and use readxl package in RStudio. And now you can read Excel file directly into R with a one-liner code. This will help you in data analysis when you import Excel file and wish to run the code on that Excel file. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and check out my upcoming tutorials on data cleaning and visualization in RStudio. Please stay tuned. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.